A day after 14 Kuki hostages were released on humanitarian ground, a search team comprising of Manipur police personnel, CRPF and Assam Rifles, assisted by sniffer dogs and forensic expert team, recovered mortal remains of 6 persons believed to be the bodies of abducted Naga men. According to official sources, the recovery was made after nearly 24 hours of sustained search efforts conducted by around 450 personnel from the Manipur Police, Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF and Assam Rifles. Police said necessary legal formalities are being carried out and an investigation has been launched to ascertain the circumstances surrounding the deaths. The recovery of the 6 bodies marks a significant and tragic development in the hostage case. Authorities have not yet formally identified the deceased, and further details are expected following forensic examination and completion of the ongoing investigation. It may be mentioned that on May 13, 18 Naga individuals who were returning from reception ceremony were detained at Lailon Vaifei Kuki village. After a series of negotiations, the women and the child were later released. However, the 6 Naga men, identified as Pastor Kenpibo, Fengrongwi Tiumai, Reverend Dr. Manu Tiumai, Dilip Tiumai, Kaliwangbo Abonmai and C.H. Fendrilung, who were allegedly abducted during the incident, remained untraced until today.